coming to fully embrace my identity as not only a rising star but also as a survivor myself, to be able to inspire other young girls who have gone through a similar thing that I've gone through and show them that music is a tool that can be used to express your voice in the best way. That is why I make music in the first place. Music saved my life. Many survivors, I think that we get bound in cycles of shame that cause us to reduce our voice. Your voice is your power. No one else can speak your story the way that you can speak it. And the moment that you embrace who you are fully, proclaim it from the mountaintops, that's when you'll be able to move the mountain itself.